Hello from Chicago. Alan Knuckman high above the trading floor here at the CME Group, talking energy with the focus on crude oil. July crude today, somewhat quiet at the close, 66.10, up 35 cents. But we do have a bottom base now in place that we can see if we're going to build on for the bulls. We had new lows last Tuesday at 64.22 and then a higher close that date. Now that is held so far, and actually last week was essentially unchanged in percentage terms if you can look at that. So that could be a positive. And also last week we saw that the dollar index has stalled and stopped going up, and we made a bottom in the euro currency. Those could be positive signs for the energy complex. Let's focus on the psychological pump up preparing for the OPEC meeting. Now, the meeting is not for a couple of weeks, but the markets may be trying to give us some hints. Saudi Arabia has come out with some numbers where they've increased their output by about 100,000 barrels per day in recent weeks to total now 10 million barrels per day. So it's a nice round number there. Now, the question is, does that over or undercompensate for what we're getting with reductions in Iran and Venezuela, which are coming off the markets? Also, let's keep an eye on Russia. Russia and Saudi Arabia are going to kind of set the tone for this meeting, I think. They've announced that in June that they had 11.1 million barrels per day, so they're increasing their production as well. That's above their recent norm, above their cap of 10.95 million barrels per day. So they're slowly increasing this. So we'll see, is this a sign of things that come, or is this just because they can inch it up just a bit? Let's focus back on price. Crude oil today, like I said, was positive. We had another higher low. Today's low was 64.85, so dipped down within 50 or 60 cents of that extreme low, that 2-month low that we had last Tuesday. And the fact is we closed at 66, bounced back once again, closed above 66 for the first time in the month of June. So it comes back to price. Focus on 68 up above and 64 down below. Alan Knuckman here in Chicago.